Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to access the quizzes online. Again, we can go to Course Map, begin here. And remember, the quizzes are due every Sunday. Homework, as we know, is due on Tuesdays through Saturdays, with Saturdays being the grace period. And then discussion boards are weeklies, Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then the tests, which work the same way as the quizzes do, same sort of access, are on Fridays, but only 3 tests per semester. It's not weekly. So one way we can do that is by going, let's say, on week 2 where quiz 1 occurs, and clicking here to get to the quiz. Or what most of you will probably end up doing is going to the course calendar. You can also access the quizzes and tests from the very last button. You'll probably go to the course calendar because it's easy to see what's due when. And let's say I want to do the Chapter 1 quiz because I've met the requirement and I've done all of Chapter 1 with at least a 70% score on each section. You click on that. Also keep in mind, syllabus search quiz is based on the syllabus. You must get 100% on it in order to be able to do anything else in the course. So quiz 1. Chapter 1 quiz is what I'm going to do, assuming we've already done this and we've gotten 100% on it. Keep in mind, you can take all the quizzes twice and the higher score will count. I repeat, the higher score will count, so it's a good idea to review your answers before that second attempt. So I'm going to say I'm ready to start. And the quizzes, unlike the homework, must be done in one sitting. You can log in and log out like you do with the homework. So are these two items equal? Yes or no? Explain. So you fill in the blank. Yes. The answer should be 49. The answer should be negative 49. This does not mean, of course, I'm filling these in correctly because this will be your Chapter 1 quiz. So I just randomly picked some answers. Then you click on the next question. Make sure you don't accidentally submit quiz. The minute you submit, it counts as your first try. Next question, we'll go to question 2, next to question 3, and so forth, or you can click on whatever question you want to go to, but it's probably a good idea to go in order. When you're done, you say submit quiz. It says you haven't answered so many questions. In my case, it's fine. I'm going to say yes. And once I do that, it shows me immediate results. It says how much time was spent and what my score is. Will be once I go to review the test. So when you go and review the test or the quiz, it'll show you what answers you had input if you move your cursor over the field where the answers are. Otherwise, it'll be filled in with the correct answers. So again, I just took the quiz once. That was my first try. I can click again and take it a second try. However, I recommend that before you take it a second try, you go to Gradebook. And notice everything I've worked on appears in Gradebook. I can review homework section 1-3 if I want to, or I can click review and review Chapter 1 quiz, all the questions to see which ones I got right, which ones I got wrong, review them, make sure I know what I'm doing, then go back to course calendar or whatever method you get to the quiz, and then try the quiz again. So again, it has to be taken in one sitting. The time limit is shown there before you start.